We have listed our top picks of the best gaming keyboards ahead and where to find them. Alternatively, if you can't quite justify the cost of one of these, the best cheap gaming keyboards may be more to your wallet's taste. So let's begin the countdown from number 5. At number 5 we have Asus ROG Strix Scope. Asus Scope is a keyboard made for function over form. While it's festooned with the typical array of RGB lighting, the solid aluminum top plate sports an understated industrial design that's welcome in an era where flash and spectacle too often take precedence. The Scope is solid, durable, reliable keyboard that works exactly as advertised without the bloat of unnecessary gimmicks, and with a wide range of cherry RGB switches you can find the Scope in practically any flavor you would like. At number 4 we have Logitech K840. Logitech Roamer G switch is where the magic lies. Designed in collaboration with the Japanese switch giant Omron, it was traditionally reserved for Logitech's high-end boards. Now they are served in the budget-friendly K840 for the first time. Because you're scoring the Roamer G switch at such a lower price point, you are not going to find any extra luxuries on the K840. At number 3 we have Razer Cynosa Chroma. If even mecha membrane keys don't suit you and you demand a full membrane typing gaming experience, the Sinosa is the deck for you. I know there are people out there who prefer the soft embrace of a pure membrane switch, each to their own and all that. The Sinosa has some of the best feeling low profile membrane keys I have ever tested, and at a retail price of $60 is one of the most affordable gaming keyboards out there past a certain threshold of quality. While it may lack some sort of features a number of gaming boards pack in these days, stuff like dedicated wrist rest or media controls, if it doesn't boost Razer's expensive or extensive RGB lighting, which can be programmed on a per key basis or applied by the zones. At number 2 we have Hyperx Alloy Elite RGB. For a board lit in up to 16.9 million colors, the Hyperx Alloy Elite sports a relatively simple aesthetic while still packing the features with an aspect of quality gaming keyboard. It comes in your choice of cherry, MX brown, blue and red. What it lacks in dedicated macro column it makes up for with its reasonable price and a quality durable design. The Hyperx Alloy Elite RGB leaves no feature box unchecked. It's equipped with dedicated media controls, USB pass-through, a detachable wrist rest and a full RGB backlighting to up its aesthetics. It also includes an extra set of silver keycaps for WASD and for the first number of keys. The board supports full end key rollover, meaning you will never have to worry about key presses not registering. Finally, at number 1 we have the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. When you want to go to the extra mile and upgrade to the absolute best of the best, it's hard to find a more premier option than the Corsair K95 Platinum. Be warned though, this is the big keyboard. Its enormous footprint still requires some desk clearing before it can be nested or tested comfortably. It even comes with an extra set of textured keycaps for the WASD keys. While it's expensive, it's obvious when you're getting for your money here, and throughout 2019 and into 2020 or 2021 we have seen the price of K95 dropping steadily. These were the 5 best gaming laptops for the year 2020. All purchase links provided in description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really did, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to 10 Second PC for more technological updates. Thanks for watching.